trying to say, nigga, it's just in our vocabulary. That's in my vocabulary. I don't even birds of a feather flock together.
I'm not white.
Like, what you talking about?
I mean, I am white, but I feel like I'm just like, you know, it's just regular. Like, I don't know.
What else I'm gonna say?
Everybody say I'm not white, but I know I'm white. And I'm glad I'm white.
Yeah, we got the best of both worlds, bitch. We just got the best. Feel me? I use this white privilege too, bitch. Don't get it wrong, ho.
Bro, I say that shit on accident. That's just how I say it. Like, feel me? I don't even realize when I say it. It's just regular. Like,
it's just my nigga right here. That's like saying what's up with my brother. I mean, that's what it is. Like,
does anyone ever get mad at you for saying?
Yeah, they doing it, and we check their ass too.
They got on them.
What? They got on them, no, nigga. When we ain't just trying to say, nigga, it's
Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praise and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakah HaKodash. Double understood apostles and elders, great millstone who rule well and taught me this truth. Peace, blessings, salutations, and mercies to the elect, and the 1/3 remnant out there listening and doing this word with all faith and sincerity, scattered amongst the nations and the four corners of the earth. To you, I say shalom, Lord willing, this video is edifying. It's centered around, that what you just saw. Okay, a bunch of, Jakes that don't look like they Jakes, but they damn sure act like it, man. And he said something that is true. He is not white. He ain't no white boy. He ain't no Edomite. Okay, it's a reason they feel the way they do. They hang with Jake. They got the same spirit as Jake. Why? Because that's what they are, man. Okay, they are Israelites. They just, don't look like the traditional Israelite, man. But when you go to their mannerisms, when you go to how they act, okay, then you clearly you could clearly see, all right, that they're not they're not heathens, okay. But if you can't see it, then hey, the spirit ain't dealing with you ultimately, all right. Because I mean, the scriptures speak on the Lord's Salakia. Scriptures speak on in the latter days the Lord's chosen seed will be scattered amongst all nations of the earth. Why? As a punishment, right? This is Deuteronomy 30:3. That then Yahweh Shemal Shah, thy power will return thy captivity and have compassion on thee, and will return and gather thee from all nations. So like it, gather thee from all nations, whether the Lord Yahweh Shemal Shah, thy power hath scattered thee. See? So the Lord is going to scatter us. He's going to scatter his chosen, okay, amongst the nations. Why? As a punishment. All right. Part of the curse is, honestly, that we under, okay, to be out of our land and to dwell amongst the nations, man. Okay. And to be in a state of for lack of better words, to be lost, to not know who we were. All right, because you got a lot of Jakes that do look like other nations, okay, and sound like other nations and speak the languages of other nations. Okay, you got a lot of Jakes who look like Judites, but to tell you all day that they African American and would deny the Lord. They really in the same steed as as these is a what you would call a speckled bird. Okay, because here it is, they look like the traditional Israelite man or woman, but yet they deny it and they take on the the cloak of black. Okay. They want to be American. All right, that's a lot of our people as well. You know, if any thine be driven out unto the outmost parts of heaven, from thence will Yahweh Shema Shah thy power gather thee, and from thence will he fetch thee. See, so all the nations in which we're scattered, Yahweh Shema Shah is gonna come and get us from wherever we may be, you know, wherever in the earth we may be. I seen last night gang of Jakes, you know, looking just like Elon, man. But they was Jake, you know. They had, a lively spirit. Okay. The women was, they was cool. You know, they had the little attitude, the little nigga woman type personality, and the men were dancing. They had, nice clothes on, color coordinated, got a little swag. That's Jake, man. Okay. And wherever our people go, they stick out like sore thumbs, man. No matter how they look, you see a goddamn gook, breaking it down, dancing, nigga rapping. Okay, that's Jake, man. That ain't no damn gook, right? This Jeremiah 12:9, mine heritage is unto me as a speckled bird. The birds round about are against her. See? So these nations, they can tell. That's why those two Jakes, right, in this video, that's why they in the hood. That's why they get treated as the niggas that they are, man. Talking about he get the best of both worlds. No, you don't, man. You in the ghetto, you in the hood. You might confuse, Jake with that shit, but Esau see through you. Esau know his own, man. Okay, these heathens, they know their own, because they understand that our spirit is different. Okay, come ye assemble all the beasts of the field, come to devour. See, and that's what our people have been devoured and destroyed amongst these nations, man. That's why all of these nations, mainly Esau, Edom, is going into captivity, man. Okay, because they took part in our destruction. Okay, they help perpetuate our demise, man, and they will be punished for it. Okay, this is Isaiah 11:12, and he shall set up an ensign for the nations, and shall assemble the outcasts of Israel, and gather together the dispersed of Judah from the four corners of the earth. See, but they're not gonna. That don't mean they're gonna look like Judah. If you're a Judite living, in China, okay, if your ancestors been in China for a couple generations, you're not gonna look like the typical Judite, man. Matter of fact, if if a Judite man was to get a so-called Chinese woman pregnant, the baby not gonna come out looking just like him. Okay, it's gonna come out looking like a half Chinese, half black baby, man. Okay, maybe a brown skin with Chinese eyes and curly hair or something like that, man. Okay, there's plenty of examples. That woman, a tennis player, Naomi Kawasaki, whatever her name is, Kasaki, perfect example of that. Okay, her mom's a gook and her dad's a Judite, right? The envy also of Ephraim shall depart, and the adversaries of Judah shall be cut off. Ephraim shall not envy Judah, and Judah shall not vex Ephraim. And we saying that now, man. When we go out there on the highways and byways, when brothers do videos, the different camps that are among, that are scattered throughout the earth, you got different tribes. You got North and Southern Kingdom together, mainly, okay? And a lot of tribes, especially out here, in California, we pretty much got every tribe together in the camps, North and Southern Kingdom. All right. Why? Because it's prophecy. We coming back together. Okay. We got speckled birds. Okay. Those who may not look like, who may look like the heathen, but definitely are not. They identify with this word. Okay. It shouldn't be, it's really not that hard to understand. The Lord said we were scattered amongst the nations, right? Right? As a punishment, no? This is Nehemiah 1:8. Remember, I beseech thee, the word that thou commandest thy servant Moses, saying, if ye transgress, I will scatter you abroad among the nations. Did we not transgress? Right? Did we not did we not fall short in our covenant with the Lord? Is that not the purpose of Yahweh Shai, right? To redeem us, right? So we sinned, we went off. Okay, the Lord scattered us. That's why we're not in our land. That's why we're no people right now. Okay, but the Lord is changing that, man. He set up his prophets. Okay, he's given us back our his name first and foremost, Yahweh, and his son's name Yahweh Shai. He's giving us back our heritage. Okay, our culture. Our names, right? But if ye turn unto me and keep my commandments and do them, though there were of you cast out unto the uttermost part of heaven, yet will I gather thee from thence, and will bring them unto the place that I have chosen to set my name there. He's gonna put us back in our land, even though we went off, even though we sinned. We don't even deserve it, really. But the Lord, he's merciful, man, and compassionate and loving and kind, man, and is to be feared, and it was for a punishment ultimately, okay, that our people, look like this, because honestly, it's a curse to look like an Edomite, it's a curse to look like another nation. Right? To call yourself by another nation. Okay? But they're definitely Israelites. That's why they get along so well with Jake. They don't get along with Edomites. They probably hate Edomites, and they probably, it probably confuses them. It's something that they can't understand, but guess what? It resonates with them. So they just gonna do what feels good according to their spirit, man. Okay, not even knowing the truth, not even knowing, the Lord, but they still gonna be around their people. Okay, like he said, birds of a feather flock together, right? So you ain't gonna have no real bona fide Edomites living amongst Jake like that, man. Saying nigga, pressing niggas. Jake is a character, man. This is 1 Corinthians 2 and it will do 10. But the Most High hath revealed them unto us by his Spirit, for the Spirit searcheth all things, yea, the deep things of the Lord. And that's a deep thing, man. That's a deep thought. The fact that someone inwardly might be a Israelite, even though outwardly they don't check any of the boxes. Okay, they fit every characteristic of a heathen when you look at them outwardly, but inwardly you look at them, they're Israelite. That's heavy, man. That's something that a lot of camps can't understand. They don't get. Okay, they completely fall short when it comes to their discernment. Okay, I've seen videos of guys, reject confusion to face Jakes, not understanding that they indeed were Israelites. Okay, but because they told him, oh, he was Irish, because he think he Irish, he gonna tell you, of course, he Irish, but you got to look at the inward part of him, man. Listen to the things he's saying, the way he said, the way he moved. Jake can't hide, man. Okay, Jay, the salt of the earth. Okay, got that flavor. It don't matter how you look, you got that flavor. You're an Israelite, man. Okay, For what man knoweth the things of a man, save the spirit of man which is in him? Even so, the things of the Most High knoweth no man, but the spirit of the Most High. See, there we go, man. So it's all about the spirit of the Lord, man. It's about the spirit that's in you. It's not, the outer casing is pretty much, irrelevant. Okay, it's an indicator, but hey, you could be. It's Edomites that look like Judite men. Okay, so you can't always look at the outward of a man, but you got to look inward. And with that, give all praise and the glory to Yahweh, Shemel, Shabbat, Shem, Rikakwadash, Wa, Abba, and DTA.